Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to join PC, client machine or server to the domain using a script. Okay, so I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead, I want to request you just to motivate me, just to support me, please subscribe to IT Parivar and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So let's start now. So I'm trying to join this PC to the domain using a script in the desired OU. Means whenever you will join the PC to the domain, okay, or client machine or server to the domain, it will be by default moved to the computer OU. Okay, so first let's validate it. You can see this computer is in workgroup, not in the domain. So we'll try to join this computer to the domain and even in the desired OU, means not in the default computer OU, in any specific OU, okay, where it will be joined and moved directly. So let me show you one thing. Let me jump on my domain controller. This is my domain name. You can see here itparivar.lan, and I have one OU here, IT team, okay, and I want to join this computer to this domain itparivar.lan, and I am expecting it should directly move to this OU, to the IT team OU, not in the default computers OU here. Okay, so by default any computer will join to the domain, that will be moved here to the computers OU, but I don't want to move here. So I will try to join this my client PC to the domain, to this domain, and I will try to move it here, and that should move automatically. Okay, there should not be any manual intervention. So let me minimize this. Okay, and as you know, there is no any one second. As you can see, there is no any ABC computer here. Okay, and here you can see my computer name is ABC, which is in work group. You can see here this is not in domain. So let me try to join this using a script to the domain, and we'll see if this is moving directly to the IT team OU or not. Okay, so I have prepared here one script JDPS, and I keep this to the C drive here. Under C drive, let me show you. I'm going to edit this. You can see the script is like add computer -domain name, and here you need to mention your domain name, okay, and OUPath. Here you need to mention your OU, where you want to move this system directly post joining the domain. Okay, so I have mentioned here like IT team, DC is equal to IT Parivar. So in same way you have to mention here your domain name. DC is equal to, in my case it is LAN. So you, if in your case it is like xyz.com or .net, .lan or .org, so you have to mention here .org or .com, .lan, whatever it is. Okay, so I have mentioned here, because my domain name is itparivar.lan, so I mentioned here DC is equal to itparivar, DC is equal to LAN. Okay, and then I mentioned here -credential, get credential, so that it will prompt to enter the credential to join the domain. Okay, let me close this. So either you can directly run this script, or just I have prepared here one bash file where I mentioned to open PowerShell as run as administrator, and it will call to this file jdps.ps1, which I showed you in the C drive, which is here jdps.ps1. okay, so yes, as you can directly run this script sorry, let me go again here. You can directly run this using PowerShell, run with PowerShell. Just need to make sure your PowerShell should be run as administrator, otherwise it will give you the access denied error. Okay, so that's why I tried to call this script from this bash file by running as administrator using this command. Okay, so what I'll do, I will join this computer to the domain. I will mention this command as well as that script command also in this video description, so you can use that. Okay, so now let me try to join this by using this bash file. Okay, so what I'm trying to go here, I'm just trying to go to this script and just open. You can see it is asking like Windows PowerShell, yes or no. So as I called it out in the this bash file to run the PowerShell as administrator, so that's why it is prompting to click to yes. Okay, so I'm going to click yes. You can see it is asking to enter the credential now. So I'm going to enter here my domain name, itparivar, and administrator. So in same way you have to use your account, privileged account, which have the privilege to join the PC or computer or server to the domain. Okay, either that should be administrator account, domain admin account, or the user who have access to join the PC to the domain. Now I'm going to enter here password, and let me say okay. See, warning, the changes will take effect after you restart the computer, ABC. Okay, let's close this. Let's just press any key to close this. Let me go again to these properties, this PC properties, and let's see if there is any changes. You can see here the device name is ABC, and now it is showing full device name is abc.itparivar.lan. That means this PC is joined to the domain. Let's verify from here also. You can see here, initially before joining this PC to the domain or before executing this script, it was in the work group. Okay, and now it is showing here in domain itparivar.lan. Let me close this. Let us validate on the domain controller if it is by default moved to the IT team OU or not. So as we last time checked, there was no any ABC computer here under IT team. Let me refresh now. I am not going to do anything, just going to refresh. See, ABC computer is here now. After refresh, it was visible here. Means that computer, this computer is joined to the domain itparivar.lan and automatically moved to this IT team OU. So in same way, guys, you can join PC to the domain in the desired OU using a script. Okay, so make sure post join to the domain, you have to restart your PC to take effect. For now I am not going to restart, because if I'll restart this PC, recording will be stopped. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you now, how you can run or how you can join the PC to the domain in the desired OU using the script. So I'll request you again, if this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends, like, and don't forget to subscribe channel IT Parivar. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.